I could clean my scoop. Tie down.
Nice.
So now I gotta get a microfiber and then like wash off the back before I put on the spoiler. Much better than the chromes, don't you agree?
Agree.
All the dirt, everything from where the spoiler is gonna rest. That way it has a good adhesive stick. You got a nice sunshine going, nice heat right up on the car. Optimal for sticking. All organic multi-purpose cleanser. Making sure I'm not using lots of chemicals on my vehicle. It's gonna be fingerprint city all over this shit. I already see your grubby mitts. My grubby mitts. That shit hella cold. Hella cold, man. Yo, changes the game.